All right, so I just wanted to review really quickly what we covered this week. We actually had a new equation, and the new equation we had to do with objects that hit each other. So, for example, we had a car and another car, and this car at m1 and this car at m2, and let's say that they are moving each with an initial speed, or velocity, rather. Then what happens is there is a crash. Crash. And what happens is the cars then fly off in different directions. So we have each of them rolling off. So v2, so m2 flies off at its final speed, velocity, and m1 flies off at its final velocity. What we wrote down was a relation between the initial and the final momenta of the objects. We came up with the formula m1 v1 initial plus m2 v2 initial equals m1 v1 final plus m2 v2 final. And again, this really relates to every single problem that we did on Unit 9, Worksheet 2. Of course, what we've done up to this week on Unit 9, Worksheet 1 has been defining some quantities like momentum, P equals mv, impulse, J equals force times time, and relating those two quantities. So we have the impulse momentum theorem, which says that force times time equals mv final minus mv initial. So if you wanted to focus on formulas to memorize for the exam, I definitely recommend this one. I definitely recommend this one. And I definitely recommend this one up here. They even have names. This one is called conservation of momentum. This one is called the impulse momentum theorem. This one is the definition of impulse. And this one is the definition of momentum. So that's really it for this unit. And what we're going to continue to do into this week up to the exam is we're going to review these formulas and practice, practice, practice.